back to Red Ted Art. It's corner bookmark time again. Today we're making these adorable little sheep corner bookmarks. Now, you may have noticed this is my book, my old book. There's a new book coming out in September 2019, so do keep an eye out for that. But first, let's take a look at how to make these super cute corner bookmarks. Don't you love these little baby ones? They're adorable. So, to make, we have some plain paper, some black paper, pens, scissors, glue sticks, that kind of thing. If you don't have black paper, you can make these just with white paper, and you can use a black pen to decorate. I just like using the card or the black paper because it kind of just gives it a bit of kind of like a 3D effect, and I think that's quite nice. First thing you need is a square piece of paper. So you can use these little ones for the eyes later or to make a baby sheep. This is roughly 14 by 14 centimeters or 15 by 15. It doesn't really matter about that kind of size. Begin by folding it up into a triangle, bringing this pointy corner to the right angle corner up here. Repeat on the other side. So you've got a new diamond. Open up, fold one of these two flaps down. Bring this flap over and tuck it in. Repeat, bring it over and tuck it in. And you have your basic corner bookmark finished. So to be honest, you could just draw on a sheep face and you'd be done. But I like to add a little bit extra and shape it. So I'm going to shape it just by trimming off the top. And I'm also going to give it a little bit of a cut in here. Not too much because you need to have these straight edges so that it doesn't fall apart. Just cutting a few little shapes into it. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Kind of good to give it that sort of woolly look. It doesn't have to be exactly the same on both sides, it's up to you. And then I'm going to just shape it a little bit here. It's really a question of preference. If you prefer, you can use a pen first and kind of draw your sheep shape. You might round it off a bit more. And the same on this side. Don't, like I said, don't cut too much, so might have to start all over again otherwise. This is going to be my shape this time. Oopsie. You know, they kind of all vary, but that's nice. It gives them all a different character. This one's a bit sort of more cloud shaped. That one's a bit rounder. But like I said, they all have their individual characters that way, and I think it makes them really cute. And I'm going to cut out a face and some eyes and some ears. So you have your basic shapes, and now you just glue it together. As mentioned, if you don't have black paper, it's very easy to just draw these with, you know, draw the face on, make sure you get the white eyes in, and, you know, just improvise depending what you've got, or you could maybe make a sheep with a purple face. That could be quite cute. I think I've got enough glue on that. So glue it all together. The eyes. These are really big eyes, but I think that's fine. It's super cute. And then the feet. I might trim these actually. I think they're a little bit long. You can have them sticking out the sides if you want. I think it's just nice to have them going down. But you can position them in different, oh, not that side. Position them in different ways and just have fun with them. And there you have it. In about 5 minutes, you have a corner bookmark. Aren't they adorable? And then, like I mentioned, oh, there's a bit of sunshine coming out. They all look different. They all have their own characters depending on the face you create. I love this little black sheep one. You can see I had two different colours. So I had a light, like a grey almost, and a black, and that worked really well. And the eyes I just cut out as one piece because it's too fiddly otherwise. And then I have the other little baby sheep. So really have a look at what you've got at home. You could also have some rainbow sheep, whatever you want, and just have fun. And that's how easy it is to make a sheep and lamb bookmark. Anyway, hope you liked this video. As before, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But as per usual, just keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.